Hi. So in this module, we are going to learn about compound sentences, and this is recommended for all levels. So what is a compound sentence? A compound sentence is made up of two independent clauses. We'll talk more about what an independent clause is in a minute. And it is made by combining two simple sentences into one sentence with a coordinating conjunction. So I have examples for you of coordinating conjunctions here. These are all the coordinating conjunctions, and you can remember what they are easily by using the acronym FANBOYS. So F stands for, A stands for and, N is for nor, B is for but, O is for or, Y is for yet, and S is for so. Those are all coordinating conjunctions. So what is an independent clause? Because we said a compound sentence is a sentence made up of two independent clauses. So an independent clause contains a subject and a verb. It expresses a complete thought, and it can be a complete sentence on its own. So let's look at some examples. So this is an independent clause. London is in England. So we know that it contains a subject and a verb. London is the subject, is the verb, and it's a linking verb, and this gives us more information about that. So we can see that this is a complete thought, it's an independent clause. Here's another example. Mexico City is in Mexico. So the subject is Mexico City. This is the linking verb is, and then this contains more information about Mexico City, and we know that this is a complete thought, so it is an independent clause. An independent clause can be a sentence all on its own. Okay, so as you saw, I had a little arrow here, but I moved myself in the middle. So these are simple sentences here, and we're turning them into compound sentences. So here we have one and two simple sentences. Each sentence is an independent clause. So we just looked at this before on the previous page. So London is in England. Mexico City is in Mexico. So what we can do with compound sentences is that we can combine this with a coordinating conjunction and we make one compound sentence. So London is in England and Mexico City is in Mexico. Okay, let's look at the next one. She was tired. That's an independent clause. She went to the party. That's another independent clause. We have the subject, she, verb was. That's a linking verb, so we have more information about she. We know she was tired. Okay, another independent clause here. So how do we combine that into a compound sentence? We're going to use the coordinating conjunction but, and we now have a compound sentence. She was tired, but she went to the party. Okay, let's look at the third example. Here we have two independent clauses, also known as two simple sentences. Okay, so Rosa wanted to improve her English. Rosa wanted to improve her English. She took a class at Contra Costa College. So now we are going to combine those two sentences into a compound sentence. Rosa wanted to improve her English, so she took a class at Contra Costa College. Okay, so just to show you again, we have the simple sentences here and the compound sentences here, and I have highlighted all of the independent clauses. Okay, so this is an independent clause. London is in England. Mexico City is in Mexico, and we combined that with the conjunction and. You can see here is an independent clause, she was tired, and we combined that using the conjunction but, and now we have another independent clause. So now we have a compound sentence, and it's the same down here. So just to make sure that you know all of the coordinating conjunctions, I have them here for you again, and I would recommend, excuse me, I would recommend writing this down because you will need to know what they are in the next activity. For, and, nor, but, or, yet, so.